Have you ever paused to notice the bed of jagged rocks lying beneath train tracks? It's something most of us pass by without a second glance, yet it's one of the most important features of any railway. Day after day, thousands of people walk past these stones, rarely giving them a second thought. They blend into the background, quietly doing their job while the world rushes by overhead. But these rocks, known as track ballast, are far from random filler. Each stone is carefully selected and placed, forming a crucial part of the railway's design. In fact, track ballast is a highly engineered system, designed to keep trains running safely, smoothly, and efficiently, no matter the weather or weight of the trains above. Without this rocky foundation, the rails would shift and buckle, the ground beneath would quickly turn to mud, and trains simply couldn't operate. The entire railway would be at risk. These stones are the unsung heroes of the railway, silently holding everything together, mile after mile, year after year. Today we're digging into the science and engineering behind this humble foundation, exploring how it's built, maintained, and why it's so essential. We'll uncover why only certain stones are chosen, why their angular shape matters, and the 7 essential jobs they perform to keep the railway running. It's a story of pressure, vibration, water, weeds, and practical ingenuity, where every stone plays a part in a much bigger picture. Once you understand the role of ballast, you'll never look at train tracks the same way again. You'll see the hidden complexity beneath your feet. So, buckle up. We're about to uncover the secret life of the stones beneath the rails and reveal how they make modern rail travel possible. Let's see how this gritty, often overlooked material forms the very foundation of our railways, supporting everything from slow freight trains to high-speed passenger lines. Ready to discover what lies beneath? Let's get to it. The journey into the world of railway ballast starts now. Let's give these rocks their proper name, track ballast. You've probably seen them countless times, scattered along the tracks, but rarely stop to wonder what they actually do. These stones are far more than just background scenery, they're a vital part of every railway you've ever traveled on. This isn't just any gravel, it's specially selected crushed stone, usually granite or basalt. These rocks are chosen for their strength and durability, and each piece is carefully sized to fit together just right, forming a stable base. The ballast forms the track bed, supporting the sleepers and rails above. It acts as a cushion, distributing the enormous weight of passing trains evenly across the ground below. These stones are packed tightly below, between and around the sleepers, creating a solid, interlocking base. This interlocking structure helps prevent the tracks from shifting or sinking over time. Why granite or basalt? They're tough enough to withstand the immense pressure of passing trains. Softer rocks would crumble, but these stones hold their shape, even after years of use. The depth of the ballast bed is carefully calculated, usually about a foot deep, but more for heavy or high-speed lines. The right depth ensures the track stays level and stable, no matter how many trains pass by. Every element, from the type of rock to the depth, is chosen for a reason. Engineers consider factors like climate, soil type, and train frequency to determine the perfect combination for each stretch of track. What looks like a random pile is actually a carefully engineered foundation. Each stone is placed to maximize stability and drainage, preventing water from pooling and weakening the track. Ballast is the crucial link between the train and the ground. It absorbs vibrations, reduces noise, and helps keep the rails in perfect alignment, even as thousands of tons roll overhead. It's the first line of defense against the forces generated by a moving train. Without ballast, the constant pounding would quickly destroy the track structure. Simple in concept, but a masterful piece of engineering. The design of track ballast has evolved over centuries, shaped by trial, error, and innovation. It does its job quietly, hidden in plain sight. Most passengers never notice it, but without ballast, the entire railway system would be at risk. Without it, modern rail travel wouldn't be possible. Ballast is the unsung hero, working day and night to keep trains running safely and smoothly. That's the power of track ballast, a foundation that supports the future of railways, one stone at a time. Pick up a ballast stone from beside the tracks, and you'll immediately feel its rough, jagged edges pressing into your palm. Unlike the smooth, rounded stones you might find in a riverbed, these rocks are sharp and angular for a very specific reason. The difference in shape isn't just a matter of appearance, it's a matter of function. River rocks, worn smooth by years of tumbling water, simply can't do the job that railway ballast demands. The jagged edges of ballast stones are no accident. They're carefully chosen and crushed to maximize their angularity, which is absolutely key to how railways work. If you tried to use smooth pebbles, they'd just slide past each other, shifting under the weight of every passing train. But angular stones interlock, wedging tightly together to form a stable, unmoving mass that resists movement from every direction. It's a bit like the difference between marbles and Lego bricks. Marbles roll away at the slightest touch, but Lego bricks snap together, forming a solid structure. The ballast stones act the same way, locking together to create a foundation that won't budge. When workers pack and tamp the ballast between the sleepers, those sharp stones grip each other even more tightly. This process holds the heavy wooden or concrete sleepers firmly in place, preventing them from shifting as trains pass overhead. The interlocking mechanism of these stones is what keeps the entire track structure unified and strong, even under the immense forces of a speeding train. As trains thunder by weighing thousands of tons, the ballast resists movement in every direction, absorbing vibrations and distributing the load evenly across the ground. Each individual stone acts as a tiny anchor, providing friction and stability. Together, they form a bed that's both flexible and incredibly strong, adapting to the stresses of weather and weight. It's a simple, low-tech solution to a high-stakes engineering problem, one that's been refined over generations of railway construction. Using crushed, angular stone instead of smooth gravel is the difference between a safe, reliable railway and one that's prone to dangerous shifting and instability. Sometimes, the most effective solutions are also the most straightforward. The humble shape of each ballast stone is a testament to practical engineering. That's the genius behind the shape of track ballast, an everyday material, engineered for extraordinary strength and reliability. It's engineering at its most practical, where every stone's shape plays a vital role in keeping trains running safely, day after day. One of ballast's main jobs is anchoring the sleepers in place. The sleepers keep the rails the right distance apart, crucial for safety. Ballast locks these sleepers down, preventing sideways or lengthwise movement under the stress of passing trains. Packed tightly around each sleeper, the stones act like a clamp, holding everything steady. On curves or steep grades, ballast resists powerful forces trying to push the track out of alignment. When trains brake or accelerate, ballast absorbs and transfers those forces safely into the ground. Without this stability, tracks would constantly shift, and derailments would be a real risk. Ballast provides a firm, reliable foundation, year after year. It's the silent partner, doing the heavy lifting so trains can run safely. The entire rail network depends on this rocky anchor. It's a dirty job, but absolutely essential. That's the foundation of stability. Ballast has another crucial job, spreading out the massive weight of trains. A locomotive can weigh over 200 tons, and all that force is focused on the rails. Ballast distributes this load, preventing the ground below from collapsing. It's like wearing snowshoes on soft snow. Spread the weight. Stay on top. The stones also act as a shock absorber, dampening the intense vibrations from moving trains. Without ballast, vibrations would shake the track apart and damage the ground. The gaps and friction between stones absorb this energy, smoothing the ride and protecting the infrastructure. Ballast is both strong and flexible, rigid enough to hold the track, but with enough give to absorb shocks. A solid concrete base would crack. Ballast endures. It's a resilient, cost-effective solution for heavy rail traffic. That's how ballast keeps trains rolling smoothly. Ballast is also a master of environmental control, battling water and weeds. When it rains, water drains quickly through the gaps between stones, keeping sleepers and rails dry. This prevents rot, rust, and muddy ground that could destabilize the track. The ballast bed acts like a giant French drain, protecting the track from water damage. It also stops weeds and plants from taking root. The harsh, shifting stones create an environment where most vegetation can't survive. This natural weed barrier reduces the need for constant maintenance and chemicals. By keeping water and plants at bay, ballast preserves the track's integrity. It's a simple, passive defense against nature's slow destruction. Ballast keeps the railway clear and secure, no matter the weather. Ballast even helps manage noise and heat. The rough surface absorbs and scatters sound waves, reducing the roar of passing trains. This makes the ride quieter for passengers and less disruptive for nearby communities. Ballast also helps restrain rails during extreme heat, limiting dangerous expansion and buckling. By holding sleepers firmly, it distributes thermal stress and keeps the track in line. The lighter color of the stones absorbs less heat than asphalt, keeping the track bed cooler. Ballast isn't just a foundation, it's an active part of the system. It quietly handles the physical challenges of noise and heat. Another reason it's indispensable to modern railways. Over time, ballast gets dirty and worn, losing its effectiveness. Dirt and debris clog the gaps, reducing drainage and stability. That's why regular maintenance is essential. In the past, crews cleaned ballast by hand, a tough, grueling job. Today, powerful machines called ballast cleaners scoop up the stones, separate out the dirt, and return the clean rock to the track. Sometimes the ballast is too far gone and must be replaced entirely. After cleaning or replacement, tamping machines pack the stones tightly, restoring stability. It's a loud, dusty process, but vital for safe railways. Maintenance keeps the ballast doing its job, supporting, draining, and protecting the track. Even the toughest foundation needs a little care. Next time you see a train, take a closer look at the rocks beneath the rails. Track ballast is the result of over a century of engineering wisdom. It's the silent, sturdy foundation of our rail network. Ballast grips the sleepers, distributes weight, absorbs shocks, and fights water, weeds, noise, and heat. Maintenance is tough, but without it, trains couldn't run. Ballast is a testament to practical ingenuity, simple, reliable, and essential. These stones aren't just filler, they're a high-performance engineering system. They anchor, cushion, drain, and protect the tracks. Ballast is a fundamental piece of the railway puzzle. It's a dirty job, but it keeps the world moving, and it does it exceptionally well.